This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, February 4th. Stock Index futures putting in a very good performance now for a second day. And it does appear that possibly things are getting better, at least as far as the outlook with the global economic situation. Still appears, though, that central banks will be more accommodative this year. Also, I'm still holding out for my belief that stock index futures will be up for the quarter, so there still is plenty of time for that. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index higher. You would normally think that the dollar would be lower in a period of flight to quality long liquidation, as is the case for many markets today. That not being the case, the dollar is stronger. And I think that is because interest rate differential expectations are still favorable to the dollar index. So I would expect the dollar to continue to firm from here. Also, we had the Japanese yen lower with some flight to quality longs being liquidated. The Reserve Bank of Australia holding rates unchanged as expected at their policy meeting today. Interest rate futures markets seeing flight to quality longs liquidated, especially at the long end. It also appears that there may be less need for the Fed to lower interest rates, although it still appears that they will do exactly that. Right now, for the June meeting, it is predicted that there is a 45% chance of a rate cut. Yesterday, it was as high as 58%. So it looks like the situation globally is beginning to calm down a little bit as far as economic fears of a slowdown from a global point of view. Precious metals lower as flight to quality longs liquidated. Ultimately, though, lower rates from around the world, I think, will be supportive to the precious metals. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.
All right.
Not too bad.